Hey guys, and welcome to the next lesson. In this video we'll cover what you can get from licensing your photos online, what you need and what you don't need to be successful. What can you get? Well, money is the first thing that comes to mind, right? How much? That depends on your dedication and how well you implement the 4 pillars of success we're going to discuss later in this course. This can be a passive income. I myself haven't uploaded practically anything in the last 2 years and I still get a couple of $100 each month. That's my old photos selling while I sleep. Feels good. So how much do you get? There are different prices per download between agencies and within agencies. This varies. The good news is the sales volume is unlimited. You can have one photo sell again and again and again and again and again. I myself have a couple of photos that sold a couple of hundred times, maybe 500, 600, 700 times, and they still keep selling and generate money for me. Fantastic. So for me, this is a fun side gig that I've perfected over years and now it generates money without me needing to pay any attention to it. But there are people who actually do quit their day jobs, fully focus on licensing their photos, and they get very decent 6 or even 7-figure income doing this. Other folks like me live their normal lives, shoot a picture from time to time, upload it online, and then wait for the money to come. Okay, so that's the money part. You get some money for taking good pictures and uploading them. Beautiful. What else is there to get? Well, you get recognition. You can get recognition on Facebook, sure, but likes are for free. When someone actually buys your photo with real money, that means they really like it and find it useful for their project. You get satisfaction from seeing your photos appear on book covers, in magazines, on billboards, on famous websites, etc. Feels really good. Okay, let's have a look at what you don't need to be successful. You don't need fancy DSLR camera to shoot good pictures. Of course, if you do have it already, then feel free to use it, sure. Some of the best-selling images were actually taken with point and shoots or even cell phones. You don't need any marketing skills at all. All the marketing, all the sales, all the payment processing is done by the agency. All you need to do is shoot the picture and upload it. They take care of all the rest. You don't need to pay anything. There is no sign-up fees, there is no upload fees, there is no what have you fees. You sign up for free, you upload for free. Once you make a sale, agency takes their commission from that. So they are highly motivated to have you uploading your stuff. You don't need any certificates, you don't need any formal photographic education. I don't have any and I never missed it. So it doesn't matter if you're a hobby photographer like I am, if you're mom and dad who loves to take pictures of their kid, if you're a traveler who goes places and shoots pictures, or even a professional photographer looking for additional stream of income. And you do not need to quit your job. I'm not asking you to quit your job. Feel free to do so if you want to quit your job anyway, but to be successful, you can use as little as 2 hours a week. Of course, the more time you dedicate to it, the more likely you are to have higher sales. Okay, so what do you need to be successful? Well, you need the photos, right? Doesn't matter what's your topic, what kind of photography do you enjoy. Be it food photography, which by the way is fantastic for selling online, portraits, landscapes, still life, abstract photography sells very well. So no matter what your favorite topic is, you can build your success with the photos you already are taking or have taken. Also, you need computer and internet to be able to upload your pictures, but I assume you already do have that. You need some time to submit, and this depends entirely on you. You can binge submit, so you can dedicate your whole weekend to process your photos, or you can set aside an hour a day or 2 hours on Saturday evening to upload your photos over time. So you can spend as little time as you have available for this, and it's perfect. And you are going to need some dedication and resilience. The beginnings are not always easy. They're not supposed to be. There will be some rejections. There will be some disappointments, but we will talk about how to deal with them and how to deal with them effectively. So now you know what you can get from licensing your photos online, what you need to do and have, and what you don't need to do and have. See you in the next video.